Theorem: a square plus b square is equal to c square, whereas the active division algorithm a is equal to b cube plus r. It's all about math. But as is put in this numerical movement, the best equation that can be stated is infinite knowledge, additional truth bit, plus calculative confidence. A very mathematical morning and a warm and multiplicative welcome to Honorable Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, all teachers and my dear friends. I am Muskan.
I am Siraj.
We are standing here to conduct today's morning assembly program. On 22nd December, National Mathematics Day is celebrated across the nation to honor the birth anniversary of Srinivas Ramanujan. This day is to recognize his extraordinary contribution to the math. Dear friends, hard work and a little bit of luck really can lead us to fulfill our dreams. Ramanujan's hard work and passion helped him become one of the most recognized mathematicians. To the song Math Mein Sabse Cool.
Five is equal to 11. 3 plus 2 is 6 minus 9 divided by 4. मैथ से नहीं है मेरा कोई मैच, देख के ही डर लगता है. पाई आर स्क्वायर एच, एडिशन में सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाते हैं हम, मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवीजन से हो ही जाता है टेंशन. बेसिक क्लियर करोगे तो मिलेगा विजन, इजीली स्कोर करने का है ये मिशन. प्रॉब्लम्स को अगर लॉजिक से सॉल्व करोगे तो सॉल्व होगी जिंदगी की हर एक सिचुएशन. प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग, क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग इससे डेवलप होती. मोस्ट प्रैक्टिकल सब्जेक्ट मैथ है सबसे कूल 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 कूल. मैथ है सबसे कूल, मैथ है सबसे कूल, ये है अम्मा स्कूल. मैथ है सबसे कूल, ओ डियर आर यू रेडी? वी आर टू फाइंड इट कूल. मैथ है सबसे कूल, मैथ है सबसे कूल, ये है अम्मा स्कूल. मैथ है सबसे कूल.
Chairperson, Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, all the teachers and my dear friends. A very warm and cheerful good morning to one and all present here. Today I am Sakshi. I am Himanshi. I am Isha. From class 8. You all know that we are here for a debate. Our topic is importance of mathematics in our life. We are against of this topic. Respected Chairperson, Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, all the teachers and my dear friends. A very warm and glorious good morning to one and all present here. I am Tahir. I am Jinesh. I am Darsh. We are from 8th class. Today, you all know that today we are here for a debate. Our topic is importance of mathematics in our life. We are in favor of this topic. Now I am going to speak against the importance of mathematics in our life. Please listen us very carefully. Limited applicability. Critics argue that certain mathematical concepts have limited applicability in real life situations for many individuals. They believe that people often don't use advanced mathematical skills in their daily life. Foundation of knowledge. Mathematics serves as the foundation for various academic disciplines. It provides a structured way of thinking and problem solving that is applicable in diverse fields. Creativity and innovation. Some argue that an excessive focus on mathematical skills might stifle creativity and innovation. While math provides structured solutions, it might discourage alternative, creative approaches to problem solving. Critical thinking skills. Studying math entails critical thinking skills and analytic skills. It trains the mind to problem solving and decision making. Technology and assistance. With the rise of technology, some argue that complex mathematical calculations can be outscored to machines and software. Technological advancement. Mathematics is fundamental to technological advancement. From computer algorithm to engineer design, mathematics principles are essential in development of new technologies. Anxiety and stress. For some students, the pressure associated with learning and applying mathematical concepts can lead to anxiety and stress. This negative experience may create a lasting aversion to the subject. Problem solving ability. Learning of maths and science help us to solve complex problems in our life. It not help in academics, it also helps in our daily life routine. Ignore other skills. Mathematics are not skills that are important in our life. Other skills such as communication, problem solving are also important and should be given equal weight to the education system. Economical impact. A strong mathematical background is essential in many professions including finance, business and economics. It enables individuals to analyze market trends and contribute to economic growth. Different learning styles. Not all students may benefit from focus on mathematics. Some students may benefit from focus on other subjects or a more hand-experimental learning approach. Practicality. Mathematics and science are essential skills that are used in many practical and real-world applications. The students who have a strong foundation in these subjects will have a better understanding of the world around them and be better equipped to solve problems and real daily life. Emphasis on standardized testing. Some argue that an excessive emphasis on mathematical concepts may lead to a narrow educational focus, neglecting other important aspects of life like creativity, communication, etc. Thank you for listening us. फ्रेंड, तुम कौन हो और इतने उदास क्यों बैठे हो? मैं हूँ। कोई मुझे पसंद नहीं करता, सब के सब मुझसे डरते हैं और कोई मेरा दोस्त भी नहीं बनना चाहता। अरे नहीं, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है। सब तुम्हें पसंद करते हैं, तुम्हें तुम्हारी इम्पोर्टेंस का पता ही नहीं है। पूरा विश्व तुम्हारा मित्र है। आओ, मैं तुम्हें तुम्हारे फ्रेंड से मिलवाती हूँ। इनसे मिलो, ये है साइंस। कितना पानी कितनी हड्डियाँ, कितना पानी कितनी हड्डियाँ, दिल धड़कता कितनी बार, बिन अंकों के कैसे जाने, बिन अंकों के कैसे जाने, तुम्हें नमन है बारंबार। इनसे मिलो, ये है हिस्ट्री। भाई तुम ना होते तो मेरी चिट्ठियां बताता कौन, कब पहला विश्व युद्ध हुआ, कब भारत आजाद हुआ, ये सबको बतलाता कौन। इनसे मिलो, ये है म्यूजिक। कितने स्वर और कितने अलंकार मुझे कैसे पता चलेंगे तुम तुम्हारे यहाँ। इनसे मिलो, ये है ज्योग्राफी। सूरज कितना दूर धरा से और चंदा है कितना पास, ओशियन क्यों है इतना गहरा, माउंट एवरेस्ट क्यों है इतना खास। इनसे मिलो, ये है इंग्लिश। ABCD सिखलाने को रेखाएं हैं आधार, स्टैंडिंग लाइन, स्लैंटिंग लाइन, स्लीपिंग लाइन, पैरेलल लाइन। अगर मैथ तुम ना होते तो इंग्लिश हो जाती लाइन। इनसे मिलो, ये है हिंदी। इसे तो तुम जानते ही होगे। हिंदी की तो बिंदी गोल 11 स्वर और 33 व्यंजन बनाते हैं मुझको अनमोल। अरे रुको, इतना ही नहीं, मेरी बात भी सुनो। टेलर, कारपेंटर, डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर, चाहे जो भी पढ़ना चाहे, बिन तुम्हारे एक कदम भी आगे ना बढ़ पाए। इतना ही नहीं, और भी सुनो। तुम्हारे बिना घड़ी नहीं होती, समय की चाल बताता कौन, साल महीने दिन और घंटे हमको ये सिखलाता कौन। घर परिवार देश हो या व्यापार, घर परिवार देश हो या व्यापार, तुम्हारे बिन सब होते बेकार। तुमसे ही है और खुशहाली, तुम्हारी तो है बात निराली। पर फिर भी मेरा कोई दोस्त नहीं है। अरे नहीं नहीं, तुम्हारे बहुत से दोस्त हैं, वो रहे तुम्हारे दोस्त। Don't imagine clapping.